rice is ready. Let us show the village the strength of our tradition.
They're here! Look at all the steam!
Now, again, keep the heart of the rhythm.
Just like the master.
You have worked hard. Drink this to keep the cold from your bones. There is no taste quite like the first mochi of the winter.
Our family is always growing. Join us for the next harvest. Another day to keep the village spirit high. Let us get to work.
Race you to the shrine. First one there gets the first snack.
The air is dry today, Master. Perfect for the second batch. Listen to the heart of the village! Start fire!
More air, Ginger. We need the steam to be thick.
It is ready. It smells like sweet.
Form a circle, everyone. To make great mochi, we must strike as one heart.
On my mark, together we give life to the grain.
Watch the timing. Don't let the mallet catch your tail.
Patience, little ones. The hard work is almost finished.
Look at that shine. It is as bright as the winter moon.
Gently now, like you are tucking in Tine Cloud for a nap.
We have done well today. The village will feast tonight.
Come in, come in. The warmth of the home is the best reward of all.
They didn't even get squished on the walk home.
Sit, everyone. The cold is behind us for tonight.
The young ones have potential, leader. Their rhythm is improving.
Rest now, little masters. Tomorrow is another day.
A full belly and a warm fire. The village is...
story continues as long as the village stays together. See you at the next harvest.
Still a bit stiff, but the sun will finish the work.
Sounds like the mountain is talking to us.
The tradition holds firm. The village is ready for the new year.
Such a big helper for such a small kitten. Thank you, little one.
Our door is always open. Until we pound the rice again, stay warm.
The sun is high.
The path is clear. Is clear. Let us see how the shrine fared the night.
Good morning, leader. The mortars are frozen, but the rice is soaking.
Wait for me, the snow is too deep.
Today, we finish what we started. Pause together, everyone! Don't miss the celebration. Join our village family today.
1, 2, keep the heart of the rhythm alive.
We are doing it just like the master.
Rest your paws, everyone. The rice needs to breathe as much as you do.
Final round. Let's make this the best mochi the village has ever tasted.